Do you really know what slowly destroys your Mercedes every single day? Most owners believe damage only happens when something breaks, but the truth is very different. Small daily habits, repeated over time, quietly shorten the life of your engine, transmission, electronics, and even suspension. And the worst part is that many of these habits feel completely harmless. Have you ever started your Mercedes and immediately driven off? Or parked it after a short trip thinking nothing of it? These actions may seem normal, yet they create long-term stress inside components designed for precision, not abuse. Mercedes engineering is advanced, but it assumes correct usage. When that assumption fails, or accelerates fast. In this episode, you'll discover how simple behavioral changes can dramatically increase reliability without touching tools or visiting a workshop. We'll cover the mistakes almost everyone makes, the adjustments that truly matter, and the one habit at the end that protects more components than any expensive repair. Stay until the end, because that final tip is the difference between a Mercedes that ages gracefully and one that becomes a money pit. After about 5 minutes, I'll also ask you to subscribe if you find this useful, because this channel is dedicated to making premium cars last longer with real-world strategies. No myths, no marketing talk, just practical ownership knowledge. By the end of this episode, you'll understand why many Mercedes vehicles fail early despite regular servicing, and how owners who know these habits often drive well past 200,000 miles with fewer issues. This is not about driving slower or babying the car. It's about respecting how modern Mercedes systems actually work. Let's start with the first habit that silently damages more engines than people realize. One of the most common mistakes Mercedes owners make is improper warm-up behavior. Modern engines do not need to idle for 10 minutes, but they absolutely should not be driven aggressively when cold. Cold oil is thick, and until it flows correctly, internal engine parts experience unnecessary friction. The damage doesn't happen instantly, it accumulates silently. Many drivers start the car, put it in drive, and immediately demand power. Turbocharged Mercedes engines suffer the most from this habit. Turbos rely on proper oil pressure, and repeated cold acceleration slowly damages bearings and seals. Over time, this leads to oil consumption, reduced boost efficiency, and eventual failure. Another overlooked factor is short trips. Repeated short drives prevent the engine and exhaust system from reaching optimal temperature. Moisture builds up inside the oil and exhaust, increasing corrosion and sludge formation. This is why cars driven only for short distances often age worse than those driven longer but less frequently. Transmission behavior matters just as much. Mercedes automatic gearboxes are incredibly refined, but they are sensitive to abrupt changes when cold. Slamming into reverse or drive immediately after startup increases internal stress. Waiting even 10 seconds before selecting gear significantly reduces wear. At this point, if you're already realizing how often these habits apply to you, make sure to subscribe. This channel focuses on realistic ways to protect your Mercedes without unnecessary spending. And upcoming episodes will dive deeper into electronics, drivetrain, and hidden system behaviors. These changes don't require discipline, just awareness. And once you adopt them, your Mercedes will respond with smoother performance, better efficiency, and fewer warning lights over time. Next, we'll look at how everyday driving style affects far more than fuel consumption.
Driving style is not about speed, it's about consistency. Mercedes vehicles are engineered for smooth, progressive inputs. Sudden throttle changes, harsh braking, and constant stop-and-go driving create stress in places you never see. Suspension bushings, engine mounts, and drivetrain components absorb these forces every time you drive aggressively. One of the most damaging habits is abrupt braking, followed by rapid acceleration. This constant load shifting strains the transmission and differentials. Over time, it leads to delayed gear engagement, rough shifts, and increased driveline noise. Many owners assume these issues are inevitable with age, but they're often behavior-induced. Another overlooked issue is steering at full lock while stationary. Turning the wheel aggressively when the car isn't moving puts extreme pressure on steering components and tires. Mercedes power steering systems are precise, but repeated full lock stress shortens pump and rack lifespan. Road conditions matter too. Speed bumps taken too fast, potholes ignored, and curbs climbed casually damage suspension alignment. The result is uneven tire wear, reduced stability, and constant micro-corrections from electronic stability systems, which accelerate sensor wear. Your Mercedes constantly communicates with dozens of control units. When driving inputs are chaotic, these systems work overtime to compensate. Over years, that extra workload increases the risk of electronic faults that seem random but are actually predictable. Smooth driving doesn't mean slow driving. It means deliberate inputs, anticipating traffic, and allowing the car to do what it was designed to do. Owners who adopt this style often notice fewer dashboard warnings and longer component life. Next, we'll talk about how parking habits and shutdown routines can either protect or damage your Mercedes.
Most Mercedes damage happens after the drive is over. Parking habits and engine shutdown behavior play a much bigger role than people think. If you've just driven aggressively or used boost, immediately turning the engine off traps heat inside critical components. Turbochargers, in particular, suffer from oil coking when shut down too hot. Allowing the engine to idle for even 30 seconds before shutdown helps stabilize temperatures and oil flow. This simple habit significantly extends turbo and valve system life. It's not about waiting minutes, just giving the system time to normalize. Parking location matters as well. Constantly parking on steep inclines without engaging the parking brake before releasing the transmission puts strain on the gearbox parking pawl. Over time, this causes clunking noises and engagement issues that many drivers misinterpret as transmission failure. Interior electronics are another silent victim. Leaving the car exposed to extreme heat accelerates screen degradation, sensor drift, and battery drain. Mercedes interiors are advanced but sensitive. Whenever possible, shaded parking or sun protection reduces long-term electronic issues. Battery health is closely tied to shutdown habits. Turning the engine off immediately after heavy electrical use, such as climate control or heated features, stresses the battery. Giving the system a short idle period helps stabilize voltage. These habits don't add time to your routine. They simply change the order of actions. And they save thousands over the lifespan of the vehicle. Now, we'll finish with the single habit that protects more Mercedes systems than any other.
The most powerful habit Mercedes owners can adopt is awareness of system feedback. Modern Mercedes vehicles constantly communicate through subtle changes in behavior long before warning lights appear. Slight hesitation, unusual vibrations, or changes in sound are early indicators, not coincidences. Ignoring these signs allows minor issues to escalate into expensive failures. Addressing them early often requires nothing more than adjusting driving habits or scheduling maintenance before damage spreads. Owners who pay attention avoid breakdowns not through luck, but through observation. Another key factor is respecting software behavior. Many Mercedes systems adapt to driving style. When habits are inconsistent, the car continuously recalibrates, increasing wear on electronic actuators and sensors. Consistent behavior leads to stable adaptation and longer component life. This final habit ties everything together. Treat your Mercedes as a system, not a machine. Every action has a response, and over time, those responses accumulate. The owners who understand this principle enjoy smoother performance, better reliability, and lower ownership costs. If this episode helped you see your Mercedes differently, subscribe to the channel. Upcoming episodes will cover hidden electronic functions, common warning light misconceptions, and small preventative actions that save thousands over time. A Mercedes that lasts is not about perfection. It's about understanding. And once you do, you'll never drive the same way again.